Welcome back to Layover Latitudes, the channel where we explore the best places to live, travel, and thrive. For families, one of the most important factors in choosing a place to live is public education. Great schools not only prepare students for the future, but also strengthen communities, raise property values, and improve quality of life. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best places in the U.S. for public education, focusing on cities and counties where public schools consistently excel. From graduation rates to test scores, from teacher quality to extracurricular opportunities, these places stand out as the best of the best. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 10 is Cobb County, Georgia, located just outside Atlanta. Cobb County schools consistently outperform state and national averages. The district is known for strong advanced placement programs, career academies, and high graduation rates above 90%. Several of its high schools, including Walton and Lassiter, are nationally ranked. What makes Cobb County appealing is its balance of affordability and quality. Families get access to excellent schools without the extremely high housing costs of other top districts. With easy access to Atlanta's job market and cultural amenities, Cobb County offers the best of both worlds. At number 9, we head to Howard County, Maryland, located between Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Howard County public schools are among the best in the nation, with consistently high graduation rates and SAT scores well above the national average. The district emphasizes equity and offers strong support for diverse student populations. What sets Howard County apart is its investment in STEM education and advanced coursework, with a focus on preparing students for college and high-demand careers. It's no wonder the district regularly ranks among the top in the country. Coming in at number 8 is Fairfax County, Virginia, one of the largest and most respected school districts in the United States. Fairfax County Public Schools serve over 180,000 students, yet maintain academic excellence across the board. The district is known for its rigorous curriculum, gifted and talented programs, and wide range of extracurricular opportunities. Fairfax consistently posts graduation rates above 90%, and its students score highly on SAT and ACT exams. With access to the Washington, D.C. area's wealth of cultural and historical resources, Fairfax County offers students unmatched learning opportunities outside the classroom as well. At number 7 is Montgomery County, Maryland, another D.C. metro area district that consistently earns top marks. Montgomery County public schools are nationally recognized for their innovation and performance. The district offers magnet programs, international baccalaureate options, and robust AP course selections. Graduation rates remain strong, and the county is known for preparing students exceptionally well for college. Families also appreciate the safe, supportive environment and wide access to arts, athletics, and academic enrichment. At number 6, we move to the Midwest with Naperville, Illinois, a suburb of Chicago that's frequently cited as having some of the best schools in the nation. Naperville is served by two districts, District 203 and District 204, both of which boast top test scores, high graduation rates, and excellent college readiness programs. Schools here offer advanced coursework, strong extracurricular programs, and nationally ranked math and science teams. Beyond academics, Naperville schools emphasize student well-being and extracurricular balance, helping kids develop both academically and socially. It's no wonder Naperville consistently ranks as one of the best places to raise a family in America. Cracking the top 5 is Palo Alto, California, located in the heart of Silicon Valley. The Palo Alto Unified School District is one of the most prestigious in the country, regularly sending graduates to top universities like Stanford, UC Berkeley, and the Ivy League. Test scores are among the highest in California, and AP participation is strong. Palo Alto schools benefit from being in a community that values innovation, technology, and excellence. Students have access to unique programs in STEM, entrepreneurship, and the arts. While the cost of living here is high, the quality of public education is unmatched in much of the country. At number 4, we travel to Scarsdale, New York, an affluent suburb north of New York City. Scarsdale public schools are consistently ranked among the very best in the United States. The district boasts outstanding test scores, a graduation rate of nearly 100%, and a long-standing tradition of sending graduates to elite universities. What sets Scarsdale apart is its commitment to a progressive, student-centered approach. The district emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and real-world problem-solving, going beyond standardized tests to prepare students for lifelong success. At number 3, we stay in New York with Westchester County more broadly. Home to districts like Bronxville, Chappaqua, and Rye, Westchester County schools consistently rank among the nation's best. High per-pupil spending ensures students have access to state-of-the-art facilities, advanced coursework, and extracurricular options. Graduation rates are near perfect, and SAT scores are among the highest in the country. The area's schools emphasize not only academic rigor, but also community service, leadership, and the arts. For families seeking a concentration of top-performing schools, Westchester County stands as one of the most reliable choices in the U.S. At number 2 is Loudoun County, Virginia, a community just west of Washington, D.C. that has become one of the most highly regarded areas for public education in the entire country. Loudoun County Public Schools, LCPS, have risen quickly in national rankings over the past 2 decades, earning a reputation for academic excellence, innovation, and opportunity. With a graduation rate of about 95%, Loudoun consistently posts one of the highest success rates for a large district in the United States. Students regularly outperform state and national averages in reading, math, and science, reflecting the district's rigorous academic standards. One of Loudoun's greatest strengths is its commitment to college and career readiness. The district offers a wide range of advanced placement and honors courses, along with specialized academies focused on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. The Academy of Science and the Academy of Engineering and Technology are standout programs, providing students with hands-on research, cutting-edge facilities, and connections to real-world careers. Loudoun also participates in dual enrollment partnerships with local universities, allowing students to earn college credits before graduating high school. Extracurricular opportunities are another hallmark of LCPS. Students can choose from nationally recognized athletic programs, award-winning music and arts programs, robotics clubs, debate teams, and service organizations. The district ensures that young people develop not just academically, but also socially and personally, with leadership skills that carry into college and beyond. The county's proximity to Washington, D.C. is a major asset. Students benefit from access to museums, historical landmarks, research institutions, and federal agencies, which often provide field trips, internships, and enrichment opportunities. This unique location bridges classroom learning with real-world experience in a way few districts can match. Loudoun's success is also supported by the community itself. The county is one of the fastest-growing and wealthiest in the United States, with many parents employed in technology, government, and defense industries. For families who want access to top-tier schools with strong ties to one of the most dynamic metropolitan regions in the country, Loudoun County, Virginia, is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have Lexington, Massachusetts, a town with a legendary reputation for outstanding public schools and one of the most desirable places in America for families focused on education. The Lexington Public Schools consistently rank at or near the top of national lists. The district boasts graduation rates close to 100%, with students regularly scoring well above state and national averages on standardized tests. SAT and ACT scores are consistently among the highest in the country, reflecting the district's academic rigor. Participation in advanced placement and honors courses is widespread, through which students receive college credits before graduating high school. But Lexington's excellence extends beyond academics. The district places equal importance on the arts, athletics, and community service, creating a truly well-rounded experience. Students can join award-winning music ensembles, theater productions, debate teams, and robotics clubs, while also competing in state and national-level athletic programs. One of Lexington's unique advantages is the community itself. The town has a highly educated population. Many parents are professionals, researchers, and academics tied to nearby institutions like Harvard, MIT, and major biotech companies. The results speak for themselves. Lexington graduates regularly go on to attend top universities across the country and abroad, from Ivy League schools to leading public universities and elite liberal arts colleges. For families seeking the very best in public education, Lexington represents the gold standard. From Cobb County's affordable excellence to Lexington, Massachusetts, the pinnacle of academic achievement, these cities and counties prove that where you live can have a huge impact on the opportunities available to your children. Strong schools build strong futures, and these places are leading the way. Thanks for watching Layover Latitudes. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Which of these school districts would you move to for the sake of your children's education? Let us know in the comments below.